How much time and money do you think it took to create this video and image? Almost nothing. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that brings all the powerful AI models together in one place. Tired of switching between dozens of sites and tools? EaseMate.ai is here to solve that. In this video, we'll learn how to chat, analyze PDFs, create amazing images, and even generate incredible videos with Google's VEO 3 model. At the end of the video, we'll show you the true power of AI. We'll build a complete brand from scratch, from brainstorming a character to generating its image, and finally bringing it to life with cinematic videos. You don't want to miss these tricks. First, head over to EaseMate.ai. You can use the web app directly or install the free Chrome extension, which makes things much easier. I'll install the extension. One important tip: while the extension is great for quick access, the true power of EaseMate is unlocked in the full web app. We'll switch over to the main web app now because all the advanced tools and settings are available there. And just take a look at this list. These are just some of the free language models that EaseMate gives you access to. We have incredibly powerful models like GPT-4o Mini, Meta's latest Llama 3.3, and even Claude 3 Haiku right here. This means you can choose the best, most suitable free tool for any task without paying a cent. And this is one of the most amazing features. You can have multi-bot analysis. This means you can give a prompt to the main model, like GPT-4o, and then ask for 2 or 3 other models to review and critique the output. You can also swap your primary model anytime from this top menu. Let's start with the AI chat. You can choose from various models here. I'm going to ask it for a 1-week content calendar for a book-themed cafe's Instagram page. Look at this result. This is fantastic. In just a few seconds, the AI gave us a complete professional content calendar for an entire week. Notice how it didn't just give vague ideas, it broke down the content type for each day: posts, stories, and even reels. The ideas themselves are creative and practical, from a book of the week to customer engagement and book-themed food specials. This is exactly the kind of strategy a professional social media manager would create, and we got it in seconds. Now for one of its best features, Chat PDF. I'm uploading this dense paper on solar panels and asking it to summarize the main pros and cons of this technology in 3 lines. Time to get creative. In the image generator section, we can create anything we can imagine. For example, a hyper-realistic photo of an ancient library on Mars, dust motes floating in the air, a lone astronaut reading a glowing book, cinematic lighting. This photo converter tool is amazing. I'm giving it this photo of a modern city and telling it to convert it to Ghibli, cyberpunk, and clay styles. Look at these results. The exciting part, here we can turn text into video with VEO 3. Let's try this prompt. ASMR video of a woman cutting glass apples. We can even bring our images to life. I'll upload that same Martian library image here and ask it to: the dust motes slowly drift, the book's glow gently pulsates, slow camera DALL-E in. Okay, we've seen the tools. Now let's see the real power of EaseMate and run a full project together. Let's say we want to create a visual identity for a futuristic, space-themed coffee brand called Cosmic Brew. First step, the idea.
I'll ask the chatbot to suggest some mascot ideas for the Cosmic Brew brand.
The cyborg barista idea is perfect. Now let's go to the image generator and bring this character to life. Our character is ready, but still lifeless. Now it's time for magic. We'll take the image to the video section and animate it with a simple prompt. The character slowly nods and winks. A little steam rises from their coffee cup. The result is great, but this is where that secret trick comes in handy. To make the video more cinematic, add camera movements to your prompt. Look, slow dolly zoom shot, the character winks. These small details make a huge difference. See how we turned a raw idea into an animated visual identity in just a few minutes? This is the true power of an all-in-one tool like EaseMate.ai. Everything you need for creativity is right here.
Now your turn. If you were to create a brand with EaseMate, what would your idea be? Write it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.